hold it stable in its place. Now, once these muscles start becoming weak, it is very important to strengthen them, because weakness of these muscles will cause the secondary problems. Now, what are the secondary problems which happen because of weakness of core muscles? These include the back pains. So there are various different types of back pains which happen, and if you scroll down and look back at the primary cause of these back pains, it will take you to weakness of core muscles. Hence, most of the back pains have the root cause lying in the weakness of core muscles. Issues like sciatica, these also initiate because of core muscle weakness, which then causes the spine to become unstable and causing pressure and compression of the sciatic nerve. Various postural imbalances. So the kyphosis, where the spine bends, the scoliosis, where the spine is tilted to one side, the sway back posture, which is very common in young individuals, people who are thin and who have weak core muscles, and even people who have huge abdomens. In them you have the sway back posture, where the posture is like this, the person is like this. Okay, this is an exaggerated form, but the back is like this. So that is another major root cause of then secondary back pain. And increased lumbar lordosis, that is the lower back curve. We have a slight curve in the lower back, but weakness of the core muscles will give an exaggerated core and spine in the lower back, that is an increased lumbar lordosis. There are other secondary complications of weak core muscles which include hernia, prolapsed disc, where the internal organs tend to bulge out, where in hernia the intestine, in prolapse uterus, the uterus tends to descend down. Slip disc, where the disc bulges out from its position because the core muscles are no longer protecting it and supporting it. And urinary incontinence, when the lower pelvic floor core muscles are weak, the urine tends to dribble down. So there is incontinence. So these are the various problems which happen because of weak core muscles. Now generally when we encounter these issues, we tend to deal with them at a superficial level. So we work on them, we do the step 1, we treat it. But the step 2, that is strengthening the core muscle, which is the root